So today we're back at Lidl and we've got Sunday's plant drop. We've got a few plants to choose from along here. So first of all, we're looking at the hydrangeas. So we've got hydrangeas, £8.99, and they come in various colours. We've got the pinks, we've got the blues. They're just turning into the blue, dark blue there, really nice. And also underneath we've got some white ones, and we've also got this dark red one. So they're looking really good. £8.99 for hydrangea. We've got some mini roses, Rosa hybrid. These are from a previous day. They're looking good. Pinks, purples, reds, and some whites. They're £2.99. We've got the aces, Orange Dream and Astropurium, £9.99. And then on the bottom shelf we've got the garden roses. These are Garden Rosa Palace. These are £9.99. And more aces. And we've got the flowering pots in a bowl, chrysanthemums, coleus, lovely colours, yellows, golden. And there's a video on my channel of the celosia. And we've got some more hydrangeas at the bottom, looking really good. Then we've got some more bedding plants. So we've got geraniums, all geraniums. These are £4.99 for 6-pack. They're not looking particularly good. We've still got these sansevieras, £3.99. They're hanging on. We've got the roses, the dianthus, £1.49. And then on the back shelf we've got the Thursday's lavender 3-pack. Plant these in full sun, give them lots of water, £3.99. That's the lavender grosso. And then some more bedding plants. So let's take a look inside and see what we got. We've still got the orchids, £9.99. These are the big orchids. And the mini orchids, reduced from £5.99 to £4.99. Mini orchid in a pot. And then we've got these bromulas. Bromulas are £3.99. These are so nice. All these different varieties. And then we got campanula flower in a nice looking pot. We've got whites, purples. We don't see a price on the campanula, but there we go. That's what we got in Lidl's on Sunday. So on this side we've got the old celosia, £2.99. Clematis, £4.99. That was Thursdays. Large house plants, £14.99. And then green plants, £3.99. So let me know in the comments, what would you choose from today's haul?